Sometimes the story hides in the colors before it reveals itself. Watch what happens when blue and gold start to flow. Welcome back to the channel. For this pour, I use a white base and stacked shades of blue, primary blue, fluorescent blue, sky blue, and light blue, with a hint of gold stacked on top of each puddle. I begin by pouring a smooth white base across the canvas, spreading it gently with my air dryer. There's something so calming about the first step. The way the paint glides and moves feels almost meditative. Watching the surface even out helps me slow down, breathe, and release any stress before I start layering colors. Once the base was ready, I created stacked puddles right on top. Each color sits on the other like ripples, building energy before the flow begins. It's one of my favorite moments, seeing how the colors stack and blend before they take on a life of their own. For me, the simple act of spreading paint and watching it move is therapeutic. It clears my mind and resets my energy, and I hope it does the same for you as you watch this pour unfold. My favorite part is using the air dryer, but I use this air dryer to blow the paint outward, guiding the flow into an abstract design. The gold has the subtle way of muting the intensity of blue, softening it without taking away its power. After blowing out the paint, I tilted the canvas slightly. Tilting is how you guide the story. Too much and you lose the design. Too little and the flow stays still. It's all about finding rhythm between motion and stillness. As the pour opened up, I started to see what looked like a person forming on the left side of the painting. That's what I love about abstract art. It's not about what you see, it's about what you feel when you look at it. Blue and gold, one calm, one radiant, meeting in harmony like the sky, touching the sun. Every pour feels like a dialogue between control and freedom. You guide the paint just enough, then you let it speak for itself. Here's the final piece, blues layered with light, softened by gold, flowing together in effortless abstraction. That's the joy of fluid art. You never truly know what will appear, but it always finds a way to move you. Like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments, what do you see in this pour? And as always, stay creative and keep painting.